All right guys, we're gonna take this super high gloss surface and we're gonna dull it down into a super low sheen matte finish using our WB Urethane matte top coat. If you guys are finding yourself sanding, wet sanding, finer grit to get that matte sheen, you guys are using the wrong product, the wrong system. Get our urethane top coat matte, and you're gonna see how simple it is to go from a high gloss sheen to a super low sheen. All we're gonna do, dip and roll. We're using a 3/8 nap roller. It's already been de-shedded. And we're just gonna apply it like we apply all our other top coats. This is how simple it is to go from a high gloss epoxy sheen to a super dull low sheen matte finish that's really popular these days. And I want to say this counter's about 35 square feet, so you'll see how fast I do this. So I'm not really worried about roller lines yet. I just want to get everything coated. And then I'm gonna come back and clean all my roller lines up. So just working quick. Making sure I get my corners there. Should have taped that off, but that's all right. All right, so you'll notice after I hit my edge, my corner, kind of indents the roller. I don't wanna just start my back roll like that because it'll leave a weird texture. I want to flatten my roller off again before I do my final back roll. So everything's spread out good, nice and thin. Now I'm going to start my final back roll. I'm being really light, overlapping every time. And when this thing dries, it's going to have the coolest matte finish that you can get, that you can't get anywhere else. As fast as you can with our urethane. And the durability of this urethane is absolutely amazing. So again, I'm just rolling it out quick, doing small sections. I'm not trying to do the whole counter at once. And I'll do one more section since I don't have to hit that edge, because I've already hit that edge before I do my back roll. Make sure I get my corners again. Then I'll flatten off my roller. And I'll finish my back roll. Make sure I'm overlapping each section as I go. Really nice and light. I'll switch it up this way. So you can obviously see how fast this is. With unique proprietary products that enable faster install times and are more user-friendly than any product out there, why buy anything else? And remember, Leggari.com has you covered. Now that's a knockout, guys. Thanks for watching. We love doing these projects for you guys. Why would you ever sand countertops again after watching that video? Turn any glossy surface into a matte finish in a matter of minutes. Also want to tell you about our public store launching soon where you guys can buy single items of all our products. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, let us know what you guys thought, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.